In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. I am Saqib Nawaz Khan. I am from Amankoor Swat. I have completed my matriculation from South Valley School, Amankoor Swat. Currently, I have joined the Namal College for learning English. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, and listening song in the free time. Today, I want to talk about the situation of 15th of August 2025. It was 15th of August 2025 at 9 a.m. on the day of Friday when I was sleeping on my mattress. Suddenly, I heard some rustle and bustle at my room. I directly woke up and I asked my mother that why you all are worrying. She told me that a flood has come and has destroyed all the things. And your younger brother is outside. Without thinking anything, I directly came out of my home and started searching my brother. I went towards the grassy ground. I saw my brother with my cousins who were safe and secure. I took my brother and my cousins to the home. Then suddenly I thought about the Namal College. That what will be the situation of the Namal College? I directly came towards the Namal College, but I saw that the water was about to enter the Namal College and I unable to move in the water. So that is why I didn't come towards the college. I called Sarifan again and again, but he was not picking my call. So in that crucial time, I saw my friend who is expert in the swimming. I told him that please knock the door of the Namal College because our teacher is inside and he is unaware of all the situation. So my friend came towards the Namal College and he knocked the door again and again, but no one was responding. Then he told me that no one is present inside. I directly went towards the terrace of my home. I started looking towards the massive flood that was destroying all the things. Then suddenly I saw a man with a laptop, with sunglasses as well as with a mobile phone. And when I looked towards him carefully, he was Sarifan. I came towards Sarifan and I took Sarifan towards my home. And then I told him that no one is present in our home because everyone went out and everyone went to the safe places, to the homes of our relatives. And suddenly Sarifan told me that the water is about to enter your guest room. So he helped me in taking the mattresses of our guest room to our home. And when we transferred all the mattresses from the guest room to the home, so then Sarifan changed his clothes and felt relaxed. Then, after the decreasing the level of the flood, we directly came towards the Namal College and we saw that the college was fully destroyed by the water. All the things were destroyed by the water. Then we directly started cleaning the college, and then when we were cleaning the college, I saw my cousins that they were running towards the hospital. I asked them that why all of you are going towards the hospital. They told me that some of our relatives from Bishwani are being suffered by the thunderbolt. Then we went towards the hospital. I left the college and I directly went towards the hospital. There I saw my father with my uncle. Then we went towards the Bishwani and then we attended the funeral prayer and all the ceremonies. That day was full of sorrow for all of us, for all of the people of Buner, for all of the people of Shangla, and for all of the people of Bajawal, and for all of the people of Swat. At the end, I want to present two of the lines of a poet that Moj kada daryab dan la huklama, Moj kada daryab dan la huklama, bebe mi bajwan bani wana veni. Wassalam.